everyone, I am Professor Sumeera Ali going to take the lecture on electromagnetic field theory, and this subject is a third year subject of ENTC from the DBA to Loneri. Okay, so in this subject we are having around 6 units. The first unit is a Maxwell's equation. Already we have studied about the syllabi, the objectives, the outcome of this subject. Today I am going to continue with the numericals. So the unit number 1 is a Maxwell's equation. In this unit we are having 3 to 4 points. First is nothing but the basic vector, vector algebra, vector calculus and the boundary condition. Today we will continue with the first topic, that is nothing but the basics of vectors. In the basics of vectors we are interested to calculate the magnitude of the vector, the direction of the vector and the distance between the vectors. That is so possible. How it is possible? We will go through one by one with the help of the numerical. I mentioned here the numerical number 1. Just go through it, all of you. Write the expression for the vector going from point A1 to 231 to the point A2 minus 214 in the Cartesian coordinate system. Also find out the length of the line. Two things are important in this case if you observe this numerical. First is, here we are interested to calculate the length between the points. Which are 2 points? First point is the A1. Second point is the A2. The length between these two. Okay. This length is nothing but the mod term, you can say. We are interested in the magnitude of this length. The length between these two we may assign as a mod of A. Secondly, what is the A1? The point 1 is nothing but the 2, 3 and the 1. Second point is nothing but minus 2, 1 and the 4. Okay. Now, how we can simplify this numerical? This numerical we can simplify with the help of one by one. Just calculate. Here the vector A1 is there and we are having the points 2, 3, 1. But we don't have right now the equation of this vector. How we can write that equation of A1? We can write the equation of A1 like this. We know that if V is the vector, then the function we can write in the form of x, y, z. Okay, it means that is the direction in the AX, in the AY and in the AZ. Just take here, already mentioned. What is our vector? Vector is nothing but the A1. What are the points of A1? That is nothing but 2, 3, 1. Same vector, how we can represent in the equation form? We can represent in the equation form like this. A is equals to AX, A of X, AY, A of Y, AZ, A of Z. Where AX, AY and AZ. All these three are the magnitudes. AX, AY, AZ are the magnitudes. Whereas these are nothing but the direction. Get it? So similarly, how we can substitute in the equation this one? We can substitute in the equation. Now note down here. With the help of this above points, what is my AX? My AX is 2. What is my AY? My AY is 3. What is my AZ? My AZ is 1. Now substitute in the equation, our equation, the same. Just same. So my A1 will become as 2AX plus 3AY plus 1 we can't write, so directly it will be the AZ. This is the point in the magnitude as well as the direction in the equation form. Similarly, go for the A2. What are the points for the A2? Minus 2, 1 and the 4. Write down in the equation form. This A2 will be equals to what are these? Why I am writing here x, y, z? I am writing here x, y, z just because of the function. That is in the x direction, that is in the y direction or maybe in the z directions. So what is my AX here again? By looking this point, my AX is minus 2. Similarly, my AY is 1 here. And now my AZ is 4. Substituting this in the upper equation. So what the A2 will become as minus 2AX plus 1 we can't write, that's why directly ay plus 4az. So this is your the vector equation of A2. What is our question? The question is that just find out the length between the lines. So if I am saying the length L, that may represent in the form of A, and that is by looking this A1 and A2. So how we can simplify? Just assume A1 and A2 are nothing but my A, okay, in the magnitude form, and that is nothing but your the L. Okay, now how I can calculate? So my A1, A2 will become as A2 minus A1. Why? Because you are going from the point source 1 towards the 2. While you are going to calculate the length, it should be destination minus of source. So what is your A2? Note down the equation, minus 2ax plus ay plus 4az minus of, what is your A1? Already mentioned above, 3ay plus az. Now do the subtraction. So this entire will become as a. Now minus 2 minus of 2, a of x plus, this is 1, minus of 3 of ay plus 4 minus of 1 az. See here, minus 2 minus of 2, 1 minus of 3, and the 4 minus of 1. So this equation will become as minus 2ay, 2ax minus 2ay and the plus 3az. So how you can calculate the magnitude? Magnitude will be the root of first term square. What is your first term? The first term is nothing but minus 2 plus second term square, minus 2 again. Third term square. What is your third term? So if you calculate this one, you will get as the value. This will become as